Imagine preventing $1 million shutdown in an offshore platform through proper maintenance strategies. This isn't just possible, it's what certified oil and gas maintenance engineers do regularly. Oil and gas facilities face unique challenges with high-pressure equipment, corrosive environments, and critical safety requirements. Many operations struggle with equipment reliability in harsh conditions, leading to production losses and safety risks. Without specialized maintenance expertise, companies face increased downtime and regulatory compliance issues. Engineers working in oil and gas often feel unprepared for the complex maintenance challenges of the industry. They struggle with specialized equipment maintenance, corrosion management, and ensuring compliance with strict industry standards. This certification program provides comprehensive training in oil and gas maintenance engineering. From rotating equipment to static assets, participants learn industry-specific maintenance strategies and best practices for ensuring reliable operations. Organizations with certified maintenance engineers report improved equipment reliability and reduced unplanned downtime. Safety incidents decrease, while regulatory compliance improves significantly. The specialized knowledge leads to better maintenance planning and execution in challenging environments. Certified professionals become valuable assets in the oil and gas industry, often leading major reliability improvement initiatives. They develop expertise in critical equipment maintenance and often become technical authorities within their organizations. Don't let equipment failures risk your oil and gas operations. Join industry experts who ensure reliable production through professional certification. Enroll now to become a certified oil and gas maintenance engineer. Your expertise can make the difference between success and failure in this demanding industry.